Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kenzie. If you're new, thank you so much for being here today. So we are actually transforming our entire garage into a home gym. This is something that we've always wanted to do for a while. And I recently got the opportunity to partner up with a brand called RitFit, and they supplied all of our home gym equipment. So this video definitely wouldn't be possible without them. We are so in love with how it turned out, so in love with all the equipment and everything that we have received, and just the whole makeover in general has definitely been a huge success. So we're gonna be adding new floors to our garage, we're gonna be painting, we're gonna be sprucing up this wall behind me so it looks a little bit more visually interesting, and we're gonna just turn in this half of the garage into a whole home gym. I cannot wait to do this. We have so much work to do, but first thing that we need to do is start cleaning out our garage. There is trash upon trash and things that need to go to Goodwill, things that we need to sell, things that we need to donate, and a lot of things that really just need to be thrown away. Things have definitely piled up in here and it is time for a major clean out, so let's start with that right now. Here is what we're starting with this whole garage makeover. So this consists of a lot of empty boxes. YouTube and content creation is my full-time job, so I'm always receiving new boxes, and I hate to break down boxes, so I just throw them in the garage. And Nick also doesn't break them down either because he just doesn't have time. That is what is piling up almost to the ceiling in this garage. It looks so crazy. I know, but we're gonna take some time to remove all of these boxes, break them down, and we even rented out a dumpster to put all of this trash and these empty boxes in. This helped so much. I don't even know how we would have done this without this dumpster because everything just went straight in here rather than loading it up into a truck and then dumping it out at a different dumpster. This was just so much easier, and it wasn't that expensive to rent out either. It was like $200 for 7 days, which I feel like is not bad, and we cleared out so much stuff. So of course there's a lot of boxes, trash, dirt. There's a lot of stuff in here, but there's also a lot of old furniture that we used to have in our house that we no longer use anymore. So I listed a whole bunch of stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm selling that one by one. So the furniture is slowly getting out of here, but in just a few days, all of this furniture will be sold and our garage will be cleared out. We're also taking a ton of stuff to Goodwill to donate, and anything that I don't really want to sell, I'm either just like posting on our local Facebook page saying it's free, come get it, and I always have takers who want to come get it right away, like any neighbors of ours, or I'll just take a truckload to Goodwill and donate it there. Pretty much all of the stuff that I think is worthy of selling and is still in good condition, I'll sell, but all of the stuff that is probably has seen better days either gets donated or just thrown in the trash. I'm going through all of this extra scrap wood that Nick likes to pile up in the corner. Anything that is less than 3 feet, I threw in the dumpster. We do not need that. There's no way. So we have a lot of longer pieces of molding, different panelings, different trim pieces. So we have a lot of different options in this little wood corner. I'm gonna go through these and get rid of anything that we don't need anymore. Let's pause so we can take a quick minute to shout out our sponsor. Today's sponsor is Foreo, which is the coolest little gadget, you guys. The UFO 3 is a deep facial hydration device that gives you the benefits of 5 anti-aging spa facials in just 2 minutes. So there's different masks that you can choose from that do different things, have different ingredients, and have different benefits for your skin. And once you put the mask on, you follow a little thing on your app, and it tells you what it's doing, the different light that it's doing, and why it's doing it. Put the mask that you want on, start the session on your app, and rub it all over your face, and it gives you a nice session so you can get the most out of your face mask. And this device also offers an offline mode to access 8 customized treatments at just the push of a button, and this is called Easy Mode. It only takes 2 minutes, it's so quick, and it makes the biggest difference on your skin. So there's different types of light colors or features that this device has. Like for instance, there's a warming thermotherapy one, a cooling cryotherapy one, an LED therapy, and a T-sonic massage. And I swear they have made the biggest difference in the elasticity of my skin. I just feel like tighter, more radiant, and just younger, healthier. You can get this UFO 3 for 40% off if you're one of the first 50 people to use the code Kenzie10. Jump on this, you guys. I have never seen this device be so discounted, and I love it. I highly recommend it. Now is a great time to shop, especially with this huge discount that they're offering my subscribers. You guys deserve it though. You're the best. Come on out, cutie pie. You want crackle? Now it's time to start building our workout equipment. So we're gonna build the cage out here. We also got a leg press, and Nick actually already built that inside. So that is already built, no need to build that. We'll move that in just a second. But we're gonna finish building this cage machine. This is the M1 cage machine, and it is black and the weights are pink, which honestly really just inspired the whole theme of this home gym. I decided to include pops of pink here and there throughout this whole space, and I am so glad I did. It just makes me so happy, and it's really cute. Nick likes it too. I met a wild companion. Now that everything's cleaned out, the cage is built, we're gonna start transforming the floors in here really soon. But before we do that, I want to paint this wall and just the walls that are gonna go into this home gym. So our plan is to make half of this garage a home gym, and the other half we're gonna use for storage. So we're pretty much only gonna be working on this half of the room. And because this is the only finished half of the garage, I want to paint it and make it feel as finished as possible. So before we put the floors in, I'm gonna paint so we don't get the floors all dirty. And I'm using our tried and true favorite color, Creamy by Sherwin-Williams. It is the most beautiful off-white, creamy white color. I love it. I rave about it all the time in my videos. It's gonna feel bright and airy and calm, which is everything we want for a workout space. We're done painting, so Nick's gonna do a quick power wash of all of the extra gross stuff in the garage and in the driveway so we can have a smooth surface for our floors to lay on. This power washer is so nice, you guys. We use it for so many things. I wish we would have got it a lot sooner. Highly, highly recommend this, and it's honestly pretty affordable. It's not big at all. You can just carry it around, and it's super easy to set up. I have always envisioned having a pegboard for the different gym accessories that I have, and I found some pegboards that I really like online, but on Amazon they are a few $100s a piece, which I just cannot justify spending for something like this. So I just got a pegboard for like $10 or $15 from Lowe's, and I'm just gonna cut an arch out in it and make my own arched pegboard. I'm using a round wood platter that I had to trace the shape out, and then an Expo knife to score it, and then a jigsaw to actually cut out the shape. Then I'm going in with that same creamy color as we painted our walls, and you will see where I put this in just a minute. It's time to start installing our flooring. So we were debating on what kind of floors to use in this little home gym area. We didn't know if we should just leave the concrete and have a gym mat. We didn't know if we should epoxy it. But in the end, we decided that we love the look of these floors. We absolutely love these floors, and we have plenty to go around our entire house. So we thought we might as well utilize these floors that we already have. It would save us on a lot of money because we wouldn't have to buy it. We already have it, and it would look cohesive and match more with the rest of our house. I love these floors. I've talked about them before, but I will leave all of their information down below. They are waterproof and super, super durable, and they look very, very realistic to me. Super easy to install, and they just look great. We love them, and I love how they lightened up the space in here and really made the space feel less like a garage and more like a room, which is exactly what I needed for this room. Since we're doing the half of the garage with the stairs, we have to do the stairs or else it's just gonna look unfinished and weird. So we're gonna tread the stairs and we're just using some glue to stick it on so you don't see any nails because these treads don't connect to anything. And so to keep the glue on, we decided to use our new weights that we got to hold everything down, and that worked so good for everything. On this wall, I wanted to make it an accent wall, but a little bit different and fun. So I got these wood panels off of Amazon, and they're almost like a foam sort of material, but they look like wood and they're very durable and sturdy. I bought 4 panels total, and I'm just stacking them on top of each other and then right next to each other to make this big square, just to add some more interest to this wall so it's not a big blank wall. We had to get these giant boards and just make our own makeshift baseboard. A little concrete gap is sticking out a little bit, so that means the baseboard is sticking out. So in order to conceal that gap and just make it feel more seamless, we're gonna cover up the top board with another molding piece. For these stairs, I decided to just fill in the gap with joint compound, and I'm just gonna smooth it down so everything is as smooth as possible, and then sand it just a little bit if needed when it's dry. And then I'm just gonna paint over it so it's all the same creamy white color. Everything is starting to look so good. Now it's time to add in all of our equipment and finishing touches to make this space feel way more alive. I have been geeking out about plants recently, so I have bought so many plants from various places. We have different local nurseries around our house that we like to visit. I also love browsing the good old Facebook Marketplace for some good plant finds. Sometimes they have some really good rare plant finds at Walmart and Lowe's. I've recently found some good ones there. But yeah, it's just been a hobby of mine. I've been collecting all of these plants, and we have 2 cats and 2 dogs. And if you know anything about plants, most plants are poisonous to animals. So I figured because we're gonna be in this garage, our animals don't go in the garage, and we don't ever plan on having them in here, so I can get as many different kinds and species of plants as I want for this garage. So because of that reason, I might have gone a little bit overboard with the plants. I feel like they're only helping the environment. They're healthy and they bring so much life and color and just beauty to this space. If you have a workout space and you want to enhance it a little bit, highly recommend to get plants, whether it's faux plants if you don't think you have a green thumb, or just try out a real plant, because you guys, it is so fun, so gratifying to help and watch it grow. I also like the idea of having all the plants in the garage because it kind of holds me accountable to go into the garage. I'm out there a few times a day just to check on the plants, and when I am, I like to get a quick workout in. So it's a win-win situation all around. We do have one little window in the corner of the garage, but that is it. So the garage clearly doesn't get much light in here, but just to be safe, I do have a little propagation station, and I wanted to give them extra lights. So I just purchased this hanging plug-in woven light fixture from Amazon, and instead of putting just a normal light bulb in there, I'm just gonna put a grow light in there. So this grow light can help all of my propagations and plants that I have in this area grow and just give them that little extra light that they may need because they're in the garage. We also have a huge hydroponic garden system that has really high grow lights attached to it. So we also use that when I feel like the plants are needing a little bit of extra love and light. On the pegboard, I'm just hanging these pink pegs that I got from Amazon, and I'm just hanging my workout equipment on these. I did have to mallet them in a little bit because they weren't the exact size. I think these pegs are meant for the IKEA boards, and I just got this board from Lowe's, so it wasn't going in very well, but I figured it out. We just had to pound it with a mallet a little bit, and it actually ended up fitting perfectly. I wanted to leave an open space so I can do my workout videos and Pilates and whatever classes I wanted to do. So I got, of course, a 6x4 pink mat, and I just laid it out in the middle of the floor, and I kind of used this as a rug to tie in everything together. We took our garage from a cluttered mess into a brand new, serene, calming home gym.
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
Okay, let's do a quick little tour. I'm just gonna tell you what everything is. This is the leg press. This actually comes with black weights, but we switched them out for the pink just to make it more cohesive and aesthetic. You know me. Let's see, we have our workout mat, super squishy. I just wanted something, I love to do like workout videos, so I wanted a big mat and a big space for that. Then I plan on putting my computer on top of the dumbbell set for my workout videos. Then I can just have this whole space to do that. This is an ab core machine. I saw this all over TikTok. I like it so far. So far so good. It was very, very affordable. It was like well under $100. So love this little guy, and he goes great with everything else. This is the cage. I love this thing so much more than I thought. It's a machine cage, so it feels like safer to me. I don't know, but it's also really cool because it has stuff like ledges everywhere to put all of your different weights, and there's so many different ones of them, so you have a lot of different options. And then it also comes with these hooks on the back too for these different accessories that it comes with. There's so many different workouts that you can do with this thing. I love it so far. I will leave all the different plants that I've used down below. My favorites are this Ficus taniki, the Snow Queen pothos, and then this is a Monstera Thai constellation, and then a philodendron white wizard. Okay, I'll just leave them all down below. They're all very linkable. This dumbbell rack is also from RitFit. Nick is really excited about this one. And then over here is our little pegboard, and this is all different supplies for the cage and just different supplies for me if I'm using them on the floor and whatnot, like ankle straps, waist straps, stuff like that. What did you think of our garage home gym makeover? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. I post all kinds of videos like this. We are always making over a new space or a new room in our house, so we are always posting new videos like this. This video definitely could not have been possible without RitFit and them donating all of this beautiful, amazing home gym equipment. We have been using it so far, and we love, love, love it. We love every single piece of equipment. Today's video also wouldn't be possible without our sponsor, Foreo. I will have all the details and my discount code down below so you guys can shop there. Again, please leave a comment and let me know all of your opinions. I would love to have a chat with you. We'll see you in a few days in a new video. Bye guys.